Yo guys, welcome back to Wandering Legends. Today we're going to be doing another drone flight. So yeah, let's get into it. So we're in a nice open area. We're in a place called Fairlop Waters in this really nice day today. So yeah, first things first, we're going to do a 360 photo. See over here we've got a view of the trains. It's a really nice spot here. It was out of focus for a little bit, but I brought it back into focus. Look at that, that looks insane. We can do a 360 photo now. We're going to stop recording and we're going to let the drone do the 360 photo. I can already hear the trains. I've never done photos of the clouds with the drone, so let's do that now. It looks really nice. I can take a couple photos of the clouds, of the horizon as well. This is London skyline. I can take the photo of the London skyline, of course. Looks really nice. We can do a landscape as well. And we're gonna check out this area, which is the main part of Fairlop Waters. So we're gonna go over that part. Let's take a video now. We're gonna go over the lake. Oh wait, the trains are here. Let's go and see the trains. Trains are here, look. This is the area. Let's go towards where I am, which is right over here. Let's go towards the lake. See the car park area. Take a look at that as well. We'll go over the lake. See what's happening here. Let's take a look what's happening below us. You could see with that. Look at that, it looks insane. Let's get a visual orbit shot of this main part. You know, it's cloudy where I am and it's sunny where the drone is. Let's do a little orbit shot. It's a bit of a strong wind. let's go back. This is where I am. I'm around here. Let's try and get low down shots. There's strong gusts now. I noticed there's a lot of small flies near where the drone is. It's crazy. Let's try and get a sideways shot of the area. I can hear the trains. No, you can see that coming. I want to try and track it. You can hear it. After that, we're going to track it to I'm going to wait for the train. Train's going to move in a minute. The train's moving now. Look at that shot. Strong gust. Let's try and do low down shots now of where I am. So we're going to go lower down. Look at that cloud. I'm going to show you right now. Look at that. I want to take a photo of that actually. Actually no, I could just take a screenshot of this video. You know what, I want to take a photo of that. We're going to get a sports mode shot of this area. You know, it'd be sick if I flew it between those, but obviously that's risky. Oh, look at that shot. That looks incredible. Alright, let's bring it back now. Should bring it back in sport mode. Let's bring it back in sports mode. I think there's headwind, so So you see, I went there really fast and came back really slowly. It's crazy. Where else shall we go? We're going to do a low down shot and we're going to go higher. So this is where I am. We're going to come back to where I am. We're going to go near the grass. We're going to get a cool shot here in 3, 2, 1. Look at that pond. See, we're near the tracks of the train. Actually, it was right here. Should have gone there. Should try and get a low down shot of it. Alright, let's get the shot of the trains. When it comes, we're going to get a low down shot. Might take a while to come. I see one in the camera. It might take quite a while. I can get quite a close shot of it. After that, we're going to head back. We're going to try and get a low down shot of that. Okay, the trains are moving now. Are they? Let's go back. No, those low down shots. Those low down shots are actually epic. As the battery's a little bit low. We're going to go here now and try and get a cool low down shot. Of course, we're not going to hit trees. Obviously in sport mode there's obstacle avoidance is off, so of course that's where you've got to be careful. But you can see the area. Let's cancel return to home. We're going to try and get a look at it. Alright, we've got to start turning back now. Look, we're near the station actually, we could get a cool shot. Let's start heading back now. Nice flight. I'm going to bring it back now. Right, let's hand grab it. Alright, landed. That was a sick flight. Hope you enjoyed this flight. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Peace out.